Good afternoon, Ravi.
Yeah, hi guys. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon to all.
Okay. So everyone curious about to learn Angular?
Yes, Ravi.
Let's see that.
Yes, sir.
Just I want to see the people names once, right? Chandan Rai. Hey Chandan. After so long time onward, I think you are joining, right? Because I remember that you only I think commenting on the YouTube pages previously, right? On the PV.
Right, sir.
Yeah, I know that. I remember
I
you.
am, sir. I am following 1 year, sir.
Yeah,
At least.
I know that. I know that. Actually, you are following on the YouTube and even you are commenting on the YouTube also. I seen that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hi Ravi, good evening.
Yeah. Hi. Good evening. No. Good afternoon.
Yeah, sorry,
Good
sorry.
afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Okay. No issues, guys. Okay. So just I'm seeing the people's name. Okay. Divya Arora. I means two Divya today joining two Divya, right?
Yeah, we are all old students, Ravi.
Yeah. And Shweta. Shweta, I think you are my colleague only, right?
Yes,
Okay,
I.
okay, okay, mute yourself.
Ravi, sir, nice to meet you after a long time.
Yeah, I know, Suraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's start our session about Angular today, guys. Okay, so today we will understand the prerequisite, why we need to understand, why we need Angular framework. Okay, small things we will still actually first if we want to start anything, first we need to understand the basic things. Okay, Shaurabh Maheshwari. Okay, good. Rakesh Thiru. Okay, so strength is good only. Okay, so the thing is, guys, I'm not going to provide any recorded session for anything. After I miss this video, this session, okay, these things will not work here, because here, see, like who is the helping the people after completing the session? If you are paying the money in the some institution also, right? Even though like whenever I'm getting the time, I'm helping few people, na? Then don't think everything I will upload on the YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel. And one more things, now here itself only, no, Divya, we can't get, okay, whatever product management videos I said initially. Okay, I'm not going to upload any videos on YouTube channel. And the one if anybody really want, okay, I will upload those videos on the Google Drive. Okay, whoever joining our live session, for them is free. If anybody want after session the videos, right, for that I will upload those videos in the Google Drive and I will take the money for that. See, because if the people is showing their talent, why I will not show my talent, huh? Right? So
Sure,
yeah,
yes.
because see,
Okay,
boss,
Ravi.
if anybody want, I'm ready for providing those videos, right? But the thing is, I will take the money for that after the sessions. After the sessions, if anybody want my videos, for that I will upload those videos in the Drive and I will give the link. Yeah, money. Okay, because see, boss, actually here I'm giving the, like, I'm putting my 100% in the session. After the people, like the people directly, because of this reason, they are how, see, innocently they are giving the reason also. Due to my morning shift, I can't able to join your sessions. I need your videos. How I can get it? Huh? Means here me, whoever joining our session, live session, they are full and they are talented, right? They want everything in their convenient time only.
Yeah, but we are all attending daily, Ravi. But but one day we will miss na.
Sorry.
But yeah, we are all continuous students na. One day, but we will be missed. That's why we are
See,
asking.
if you are the continuous student, just think about that. How am I? If I'm not continuing the session, then how you will
Yeah.
get the videos. That is also, if you have the excuse why I won't have, just think about that. If you one day, if you miss that session, I see, I'm also like a responsible person in the company as well as in my work also, as well as in my family also.
Yes, yes.
So just think about that. If you have, like, if you have the responsibility, any emergency, I won't have. I'm also human only, na.
Yeah, Ravi.
So okay, no issues, guys. Okay, later I will think about that. If really, if anybody want the videos, right, that is the paid videos link I will give. Okay, I will later, if anybody want those video for the paid only. If anybody joining our session as a live, for them only, that is the like I won't take any money. But the thing is, if anybody want videos later, recorded video, okay, I'm ready for that also. But the thing is, the video will be not free. Now let's leave all those things. Okay, let's start our Angular sessions, guys. Okay, so today why I started Angular, even though React both is more, I will tell, guys. Okay, today I will give the conclusion, and you guys also will, like, I'm able to convince you people perfectly. I will convince, right? Later we will start later we will start React JS. And one more things, now only I'm saying that, guys. Okay, next my plan is DevOps plus AWS, and that one also, see, I'm not that for the DevOps AWS, right, minimum charge will be there. Why I'm saying that? Because whenever I will create and whenever I will explain the AWS, I need to create AWS account, and that account will be how long I will log in that account, right? Our AWS like services, for the AWS services, they will charge, right? Account charge will be there.
Yeah,
Those
for cloud, yes.
for the cloud charge will be there, right? I'm not going to charge like 7,000 6,000 1 hour 600 400 500 like that only, because whatever if I take 1 hour session for AWS, right? So whatever charge or whatever cost will be there, right, for 1 hour, like AWS cloud charge, those charge I will take from you people only, right? Whoever ready for that, they can take it.
Yeah, Ravi, that's
Yes,
not
Ravi.
issue. We will
Say
pay Ravi.
Sure, Ravi. Sure, Ravi. No issue.
Divya, I know that you are saying that for 1 year AWS account is free. Means we can use free tier. You can use it, but some services only free in the AWS, not all services, right? Free services you can, if you want to learn only free services, you can take the help of our YouTube also, you can learn it, right? But if you want deep knowledge, then only free services will not work. Every services, paid services also need to learn, because if you enter in industry, right, you will work in the paid services only, not a free services. Free services means just 1 or 2 services only free, not whole services.
Yes, yes, sir.
So even see, I'm not I will not take that much money. I will become like a richer, right? Just I will take that much money, whatever charge will be there of our sorry, that AWS cloud charge for the session time, because 1 hour every day we will log in, right? So in that, how much dollar or how much things our AWS services charge will be there. Based on that, our student like strength, right, we will distribute each and everyone, right? This much like a charge is coming in one person, right? Like that we will decide it at that time, not now. For other session free only, but for the AWS charge will be there, and then that charge will be not maximum, just minimum only, like 300 to 400 per one person, right?
Yeah, yeah, okay, Ravi.
Yeah, so okay, and even
Sure, Ravi. Sure.
don't worry, I'm not going to take that money, those money for me only, right? Because by taking one person 300 to 400, nothing I can do, right? Nothing I can do. Even though we once we are sitting in one hotel also or any restaurant also in a day, we are in our expenses will come
Yes, sir.
3 to 4,000, 6,000, right? So by taking 3 to 400, I can't do anything. So don't think about that. Ravi is charging. I'm charging for that AWS account fee only.
Yeah,
But
we know, Ravi.
yeah, so that things is not now.
Yeah, Ravi, we know Ravi. Yes, yes.
Yeah, that things is not now. When I will start AWS session, AWS DevOps, at that time I will charge, right? And that fees is a minimum fees only 3 to 400 per person only, not a maximum 10,000, 800, 8,500. That's it. 3 to 400 only. That's it.
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
Yeah, sure.
Divya, that works, sir. Just wanted to confirm I understood that project recording will not be available, but Angular video will be available on YouTube. Divya, just still our Angular session is not started. Why you are bothering about that videos on YouTube? Huh? Okay, you know, guys, why I'm not thinking about to Sunil turn off. Yeah, please switch off your camera. Okay, so why I'm not uploading? You know, in a day, subscription. Whoever subscribed people are there. Like in a day, if 200 people are watching, right? 200 people in a day, my videos near about 400, 500 people watching, right? So why I'm not thinking about to upload my videos on YouTube channel? Just I'm clearly saying to you people, see 400, 500 every day, because every day I'm like observing my YouTube graphs. So in that near about different countries student is watching, but just they coming on our YouTube channel and they are watching. And you know, one function is there in YouTube channel, like how many people subscribed people is watching our videos, that one also is showing, and how many people just watch that video and they are not subscribing our YouTube channel, that list also showing our YouTube. So then at the time I realized that, you know, the thing is, see, I'm not saying that subscribe, just watch it, right? But see, boss, if the people is subscribing our YouTube channel, means our little bit our YouTube monetization also will increase or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
So why, if the people is not thinking about the because I'm thinking for everyone, but no one is thinking about that us, then what is the problem? Then why I'm not why I will not become like a what I can say, selfish now, friends? Just tell me, if the people is showing their selfishness, then why I will not so just tell me.
Sure, Ravi, good to see it. Good.
Yesterday I watched that graph, you know, 400 people watched, like in the 400 people, like 192 or 93 subscribed people watched our video, and near about 214 or 15 people, you know, they just watching our video, they are not subscribing at all. So that's why I was thinking about that. And those people, even the from the, you know, my videos are watching the like Nigeria, Turkey, and like US, as well as our Pakistanis also watching, right? And Sri Lanka, it's showing the list also in how many countries the people is watching our channel. That list also showing our YouTube channel. And like how many male and how many females, means how many boys and how many girls are watching our video, that list also is showing that. And you know what is the age? 18 to 25 years student less is there. My videos watching like 25 to 35, between these ages people is watching more. So that is the reason I'm like I'm thinking about that. Okay, like whoever want to join our live session, they can learn later. If they really want, I will take the money. Then I will give the videos. I will not I will not upload my videos on YouTube. Even you guys won't know. Like wait, I missed up. What is the prerequisite, friends? Okay, so if I'm hiding anything, means I'm making the fool, right? So this is not my intention to make the people fool, friends. Okay, whatever reality and whatever actuality is there, those things you guys will find it here. Okay, so now fine, friends. Okay, the people is saying that for learning the Angular, no need these things. Okay, no, friends, these things is mandatory. If you know that, then you guys stay in the session. Otherwise, friends, I don't want counting number. If single person is there, if that person is, because it's horrible to understand Angular, friends. Okay, so prerequisite, friends. Okay, prerequisite, prerequisite, right? Prerequisite, and to learn Angular framework, prerequisite. What is the prerequisite? HTML, right? Mandatory. HTML is, what is that? Mandatory. Mandatory to know. HTML mandatory to know. Okay, now next, what is that? CSS. If you are good, that is the enough, right? Now we need, what is that? Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap. In the bootstrap also you should good, right? Now second one is, what is that? JavaScript, friend. Okay, JavaScript, right? If some people is saying that, oh, Angular, for the learning the Angular, right, we won't need JavaScript. Means they are making the fool, friends. Okay, they are making the fool, because without JavaScript, how you can think about that Angular framework? Because this is a framework, right? So you should know, like you should good in the JavaScript, right? JavaScript. But the thing is, friends, okay, if you are planning that, right, after Angular to learn JavaScript, that is also fine. But if anybody is saying that, okay, I don't know JavaScript, but I am an Angular developer, means in the front of interviewer, right? If any experienced interviewer is there, if don't worry, if you don't know JavaScript, right, if you still you want to learn Angular, so learn the Angular after the Angular, right? If any time if I found, because morning project batch is going on, right? Morning project batch is going on, just be started, but the project will take 30, like 90 to 95 days, okay, to complete. In between, I think 15 days is completed, or 10 days, just 10 days is completed, right?
Yeah, 10 days, Ravi.
Yes, sir. 10 days.
Yeah, 10 days is completed, right? So once, because if I start Angular, right, my Angular, because Angular I will like teach in the weekend only, I'm not going to take in the weekdays. So weekend it will take near about 5 to 6 months. Minimum 5 months will take Angular, right? So because just in the weekend only I'm going to teach Angular framework, guys. So once our morning session will complete, right, at the time, if you guys say that, then there I will start full stack UI. In the full stack UI, I will cover HTML, CSS, then Bootstrap, then JavaScript. After completing JavaScript, jQuery, right? This is the, like, roadmap will be there, right? In that these things will become, what is that? Front end full stack, right? After then, and in the backend side, you guys are already learning Spring Boot, right, and the Java. These things will become, what is that? Backend side things. Okay, so now But if anybody is thinking about that without JavaScript Angular is possible, no guys, there is a no possibility is there, right? But if you guys are thinking about that, okay, here I will learn Angular framework. If you guys are thinking about that, here I will learn Angular framework, then continue Angular framework. You guys will understand, because in the Angular framework itself only I'm going to teach what is that. So we will learn here, right? We will learn here what is the TypeScript. TypeScript, right? Because if you learn the TypeScript, then you can understand Angular framework. And here itself only we are going to learn what is that TypeScript. Before starting Angular framework, what we will learn? We will learn TypeScript, right? TypeScript. Then if you know the TypeScript, so then you can work. But don't think about that if I don't know JavaScript, then it is good. Because why I'm saying that? If you are saying that I'm a web developer, right? I know Angular framework, but I don't know JavaScript. Means if the experienced person is there, that person will laugh on you. That person will laugh on you. Just simple, friends. Okay, if anybody is saying that I know Spring Boot, but I don't know core Java, then just think about that. Then people will laugh on you or not. Come on, because how you can work in the framework without knowing the A for apple, and A for apple is nothing but core Java. Come on, I'm saying correct or not, friends?
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
So if any mindset, if anybody set their mindset right, ki I will learn Angular, right, without JavaScript. See, you can become, but you cannot become perfect. You can become, right, Angular developer, but you cannot become perfect. Because see, without JavaScript, if you are thinking about that jQuery, that is also library. React.js, that is also library. Angular is the framework, right? Angular is the framework. So nothing, then the people will laugh. Whoever experienced person is there, they will laugh. They will not so like front of you, okay, I'm laughing on you, but indirectly they will laugh on you. So but don't worry about that, you people will understand Angular. Because here I will we will learn low to high level TypeScript here itself only. So if you know that TypeScript, then you can work in the Angular. But don't think about that if I don't know JavaScript. Means if you are sitting in interview, if you are saying that I don't know JavaScript, then the problem will be there, friends. Okay, then the problem will be there. So what we are going to learn here, right? So in Angular, what we are going to learn it now. These things is clear, friends. These things is clear, everybody.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, someone, Abhishek, first version of Angular is known as a Angular JS. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, I will come to your point, Abhishek. I'll come to your point. Okay, so now fine, friends. So here, what is that? Our question is what is that? So what we are going to learn here. What we are going to learn here, friends, if anything is there related to, okay, if anything is there in your brain related to Angular, everything we are going to learn here. Everything we will learn here. If any till now Angular, right? If you are saying that, hey Ravi, you are teaching Angular 1 version, yeah, I will teach. If you say that 2, yeah, I will teach. 3, I will teach. Dot. If you are saying that 14, yeah, I'll teach. Because if you know that Angular 8, just assume that if you know that Angular 8, that is the good, but I'm going to teach what is that Angular 40. So here, what is that? These things plus what is that? Whatever newer version is there, that one you will learn here, right? That one you will learn. But here, what is that? If you don't know any version, and if you are going to learn directly Angular 14. If you are going to learn directly what is that Angular 14, that is also good, because here without this concept directly I can't come to whatever newer things implemented in Angular, right? Because I need to teach each and everything here. Clear, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Right. So 7 a.m. Saddam Hussein 7 a.m. Okay. Saddam Hussein, where you are joining 7 a.m. batches? Because it's showing Saddam Hussein 7 a.m. Huh? So Vijay, don't bother about that. What is the difference between Angular JS and Angular 14? Right? Don't bother about that. Time will come. I will tell each and everything. Right? I said that now. I'll tell. Okay, everything I will tell, and every doubt, whatever doubt is there, every doubt I will clarify yours. Right? If anything is there, just come, ask those kind of question in last. If I'm not explaining in the session. Now, good. So first, what is the roadmap will be there to learn our what is that Angular? First, we will start what is that TypeScript. TypeScript. First, we will start what is that TypeScript. Here in the TypeScript, from the basic to high level, first we will learn our TypeScript high to what is that low to high
Low
level.
to high.
Low to high level. Anyone can understand our TypeScript. I will every time our TypeScript relate with the Java. Relate with the Java. Okay, don't worry. If .NET developer is there, for them also, because whoever Java developer is there, I will take some example from the Java also, and I will relate. See, in the Java we are declaring these things like that, but in the TypeScript we are doing like this, because here OOP is supporting our TypeScript supporting what is that OOP. So now low to high level we will learn what is that TypeScript, right? Then we will start what is that Angular. Then we will start what is that Angular, right? Angular. Okay, now this is the things. Now these things is clear, friends, what we are going to
Yes, Ravi.
cover, what we are going to cover in this course now.
Yes, Ravi.
So now just think about that. The people is thinking about that just now, right? Just now is saying that, right? Angular JS, what is the difference and what is that, which version you are going to teach it now, right? So now what are topic we learn in Angular, right? In Angular. In Angular, right? In Angular, if I'm saying that, right, if you are asking, then means I'm saying that what is that everything in Angular. If any topic is there in Angular, we will learn it. If the whatever topic is there in the Angular, right, in the Angular 14, just 14 version, right, 14 version. In don't think about that I'm mentioning the 14 means I will not teach Angular 9 or 10. Okay, everything we will learn, because 14 means if version is changing means some concept is implemented, more concept is coming in the newer version, right? That is the meaning. So now everything we will learn, right? Means what is that basic to advanced,
High level.
base to basic, let's right, basic to advanced. Advanced, right? Advanced. Basic to what is that? Advanced we will
Advanced.
learn it, right? So now by seeing that, okay, if the people having some doubts, right, who can learn, right? For whom Angular, right? Come on. So now
Yes, Ravi.
I'm clarifying your doubts now, friends. If anybody is thinking about that, I am a just Java developer and I'm a .NET developer, it's enough. No, nowadays IT industry asking what is that full stack developer. Right? Nowadays IT industry asking what is that full stack developer. So now for the question is what is that, for whom Angular, For whom? Angular, right? So Angular is what is that? Angular for anyone, friends. Okay, Angular for what is that? In my point of view, Angular for anyone related to